All right, so it's time to get rid of more stuff, and that's what I'm working on. I'm going through everything and getting rid of more of what we don't need. It's not the easiest thing to do. Some of these are like important books and stuff. Oh goodness. And everything is stacked horribly right now. Okay. These are important. Have to be, yeah, these need to be kept. I'm stacking this horribly too. The cart thing that I'm loading up here. This is beautiful. This is handmade for Addie. Some of these my mom made, some of these by other grandmas. My mom made this. They've got a lot of love. There's certain things I just can't get rid of. Do you know what I mean? Like, all of this, I think. No, I guess not. I'm gonna keep some of this. I don't know if he wants to keep his ties, probably. Saw that coming. Oh, this gonna go. I don't know what he wants to do. This is a mess. I don't know how he wants to. Well, I'll bring this back afterwards, I suppose. Yeah. Okay. These so hard. I don't know how to do it. He's gonna have to do some of this. I don't know. I just really can't. We don't need another. We have 2 brooms at the room. We don't need another broom. I can't start that because what if we get one of those oh my gosh. I gotta keep my walker. Oh gosh. I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to do this. I'm supposed to be preparing for RV life, but I don't know how. I don't know how to part with all this stuff. I don't have to part with all of it. It's just, you know. I gotta part with a lot more. My mom made this. I'm not getting rid of this. My mom made that. his, I was like, what is that? It's his ashtray. Guys, I don't know how. He's gonna have to come put this together. Should I keep this one? No, have a coaster. You know what I mean? Like this is, whew, this is not easy to do. I love that, but I can get another one from the Dollar General or whatever. What is that? Oh, the desk. Well, you're probably part of the desk. Some of this I wish we had time to sell because some of this is, you know, in really good shape. Some of these are really cute because I made them. So, you know, I do love this, but again, we don't need it, right? We're gonna put it outside at the hotel and let whoever, you know, wants to take it. Like I said, I don't need another broom. We've got, how many brooms? What does he think we need? He's the one who bought brooms. I gotta keep my walker as much as I want. Oh. Always easy. I don't think it comes across them. My mom got this for me at the gala. I don't want to get rid of that either. She works with special needs people, and they do a gala every year to raise money, and that's what her clients do. So.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Yeah.
I guess it's only in the office.